evening, or let's try something more generic. Greetings, YouTube and other people. This is Joshua McGrath from Doppler Interactive, and this is actually the second time I'm recording this video because, fool that I am, I didn't specify that you would be listening to my silky smooth voice from this headset as opposed to some arbitrary input. So here we are once more, and well, it'll be just twice as good for the practice, right? Once more, we're in Unity looking at our test/development scene for Welcome to Nicetown. As I mentioned, well, this morning for me, because it's when I put the video together, but at some point for you, I would be showing you what we're working on this evening, which is carrying things around from A to B. How about we give it a play? Here we are once more. You are the lumberjack in Nicetown. The light is fading, the monkey is milling about, and an interesting little point about the monkey there, or all the characters actually, you'll see he is idling. Now, with our animations, our idle animations particularly, all the animations are drawn from a pool of possible animations, so you can see the monkey has 3, standing about, rubbing its stomach, and standing on 1 foot. There he goes. Now, we do this, I guess, to give a bit of variety, and the way it goes is, once he finishes his current idle animation, he'll check the pool and randomly select one thing from the pool. So the way you can control, say, the frequency with which he does an animation, say, you probably don't want him standing on 1 foot too often, so you'll specify a pool of 10, but the majority of them would be stand around a little bit, and 1, say, would be stand on 1 foot. You know, you get a bit of, it's a nice balance. Anyway, that's arbitrary. This evening we're looking at, oh, annoying, carrying things around. Let's do it. So we walk up to, we mentioned earlier, this is, say, maybe a rock or a pie, and let's pick it up and meander about and put it here. And this one, oh, the same thing. Creating order in an otherwise chaotic universe, right? So a few things to say about this one. It obviously modifies the path map as you do it, so you know you don't get weird arbitrary unwalkable areas. And 2, let's grab this one down here and I'll show you what I mean. You'll notice he's obviously animating right now, swinging his arms, wandering about quite happily. You pick it up and he's not anymore. Now this is because every action in Nicetown is modeled as an interaction. Probably a misnomer, but it's a leftover class name from, you know, bygone days. Now, when an action is in progress, all animation and such is deferred to it. The reason we do this, or we encapsulate events like that, is well, it's a reason. It's so I can do it on the train without having to edit the core game logic when I get home. It's a bit more efficient. This way we can have little discrete classes, you know, carry interaction, walk interaction, maybe talk, maybe fishing, and they can all just be dropped into the Unity project folder, and we don't need to change anything drastically in order to expand on the game, you know, quite significantly as we like. So I'll actually get into that a little bit more in another YouTube video. It's probably of interest to the more technically minded of you. So yes, here we go. That was carrying things around in Welcome to Nicetown. This has been Joshua McGrath from Doppler Interactive, and I will speak with you shortly.